Updating your T-Mobile 5G gateway passwords is one of the simplest ways to protect your home network. Your Wi-Fi password prevents neighbors or strangers from accessing your internet, while the admin password protects your gateway's internal settings from being changed without permission. It's smart to update both every few months, after firmware updates, or immediately if you're still using the default credentials. The easiest way to make changes is through the T-Mobile Internet app. Open the app and sign in with your T-Mobile account, making sure your phone is connected to your gateway's Wi-Fi. To update your Wi-Fi name and password, go to the Network tab, then select Wi-Fi, edit the SSID, and create a strong new password. To change the admin password, navigate to Device Settings or Advanced, then update the admin login credentials. If you prefer using a browser, type 192.168.12.1 into the address bar while connected to the gateway. Log in using the admin credentials listed on the device label, then go to the Wi-Fi or security section to update both passwords. For better protection, enable WPA3 encryption if available, and disable WPS. Always create strong passwords with at least 12 characters using letters, numbers, and symbols. Password managers can help generate and store secure credentials safely.